How to remove a Chevy steering wheel after popping off the main bolt. One second. This one's gonna be a little more stubborn. And there we go. Removing a Chevy steering wheel with a hammer. Hook these wires and we're good to go. We're back to the snapshot install. Look at all that fur. Oof. It's even for my dog. So, you saw the old bag came out. New junkyard wheel right here. And we're going to install this, lining it up to this little tab right there. See a little notch? What we're aiming for. Alright, I'll be right back. I can't do two things at once. Alright, airbag is in, steering wheel's in, wheel's nice and tight, lined it up. Yep, we're good. New airbag is in too. This is again a junkyard airbag. You can tell by the little junkyard tape put there. Oh, not tape. Painter's marker. Now I'm going to put wired up back in that clip up here, which is a pain in the ass, and we'll be done. And we're done. The final test is going to be if the airbag blows up in my face when I put the battery back on. Be back. Alright, there we go. There goes the dinger. Nice and tight. Alright. Good to go on battery. Oh, by the way, I had a new cover. Also junkyard special. I was wrong, it is a V6, not a V8. Oops. Alright. Let's see. One horn works for some reason. Let's figure that one out. Alright, key time. Don't blow up my face, don't blow up my face, don't blow up my face. Alright. So far, so good. We'll wait and see if this thing's gonna activate. Still gotta fix that. Today's the 17th, I think. Doing this all over again. I don't know what time it is. Be right back. Alright, 1840. So 6. Put back in sync. Clock. No, I want good. Good. Finish. Agree. Alright. Pause it till I get the music going. Alright, unfortunately, it's like it didn't work. So I probably have it wired up wrong back there. So, whatever. At least it's on there. It looks more even at least. And now I have a nice, good steering wheel on this car now. I did with some leather restoration kit. And a blend door actually. Still making noise, okay, but it's better. But oh well. Progress has been made. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching this little quick bit. Snapshot. Okay, watch this. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, now I want to be a bitch. Go to taste.
This is the best I can do.
What the f- Okay, Google. Motherfucker. Go to taste.
I'm charmed, but I can't really help you here.
You snide little bitch.